Sorry. Oh gosh. I finally sneezed! Probably because I didn't take my allergy medicine this morning. Ugh, okay. Bless you, Tasukaru gozaimasu. I didn't hold it in, so it was a genuine sneeze. Usually I try to hold it in, so I have like those cute petite sneezes. Like, you know? Give us more middle-aged dads. No! If you call it that, I won't sneeze ever again on stream! Don't call me a middle-aged dad! No! I'll never sneeze again. I missed the sneeze. Can you do it again? No! Sneeze eater. Ew. One omurice, but with a sneeze instead of a love thing, please. Ew. I cover my mouth. You sneeze good. Can you be my dad? This is... I feel like... Not discrimination, but this is some sort of... I feel judged right now. This is why I always was just like, I'm gonna do petite, cute sneezes. Achoo. Achoo. You know? And now I'm just like, okay, well, I'm just gonna let it all out. And this is what I get. Pomu doesn't have a nose, then how does she sneeze? Yo, this slander. I have a nose. You heard the sneeze. It was a fart. If it was a fart, it definitely wouldn't have been free.